Alright guys, let's see what we have here. Look at that. Really? Look what they sent me. Alright, so we got a hardware in there as well. And a sticker. By the way, I am not sponsored by these guys. They don't pay me to do this. I bought this with my own money. I just wanted to make the truck to sound a little bit nicer, so let's see. Oh, nice piping. Look at that clamp. Woo! It looks like a nice quality piece. I like it. Oh, look at it. It's perfect. You know why? Because if I want to, if it's too loud, I can just cut this up and cut it here and put a little resonator there, you know? So make it a little bit quieter. Otherwise, this is gonna be a straight pipe. It's gonna be a direct replacement for the stock muffler for the black truck. And looks like we're gonna have to lift up the truck on the ramps, and we're gonna have to make a one cut to get rid of that mid muffler. Once you get rid of the muffler, it's gonna be straightforward. Couple of bolts in there, and we're gonna swap it out and we're gonna see what is it sound like. Like I said, this is gonna be very nice because this is kind of large piece of tubing right there. If it's a little bit on the loud side, I can always cut it up and modify it, put a little resonator in there to make it a little bit quieter. Okay guys, I'm gonna get everything situated now. We're gonna lift up the truck and I'm gonna show you how to install this piece, okay? Alright guys, I just wanna say there is no instruction. No instruction came with this muffler delete kit at all, so you're gonna have to figure it out by yourself how to do this. I can give you it's very hard to film over here and work, guys, so I'm just gonna show you what's going on over here so you guys have an idea what you gotta do to get this done. I mean, look at this muffler. First of all, it's bloody humongous, but anyways, all you have to do is cut the muffler right there. Then you're gonna have these holders. You're gonna have to pry them off, and over here you got another one of these holders to pry off, and then you got two bolts over here, and this whole thing gonna drop down, and then it's a matter of replacing this right here with this pipe from Solo Performance. But like I say, it's very difficult to film over here and work, so I'll show you after everything is done. And make sure you wear safety glasses when you're doing this cutting and stuff and whatnot. Alright guys, if you don't bust your knuckles when you do a job like this, that means you haven't did a good job. But anyways, look how big this thing is. I mean, seriously, this thing is huge. It is a size 12. Look at it. Look at it. This thing is enormous. But you know something? As big as this is, I shine a light in it. As big as it is not restrictive at all. It's pretty much like a straight through with the two chambers, like going in over, come back out and come back out, pretty much. But it's straight through. It's not very restrictive at all. So anyways, now I'm gonna go underneath and I'm gonna deburr the pipes a little bit with a file, so I don't locate the pipes over the files and whatnot, so it won't seal good. I'm gonna deburr them up and I'm gonna put everything back together, and then I will show you the final results. Alright guys, so everything is now complete. Let's see the tailpipes. Looks like we did a good job on them. They're nice and centered. This job will take you about hours if you're working like me with a rubber band and a coat hanger without good tools. But it's very simple. modification. Let me get down and show you. There you go. This is the straight pipe right there. And pretty much we're ready to fire it up right now. It really wasn't too bad. Like I said, the solo performance does not include any instruction how to do this, but like I said, this is so simple and you really don't need any instruction to do this job. Whew, little winded. So once again, this thing is huge, but it's not restrictive. I was amazed how big this thing was. Let's fire it up and hear it. Very nice. I'm gonna put this over here and go ahead and rev it for you guys. There you guys have it. It does have a little bit rasp to it, but like I said, if I don't like the sound, I can always go ahead and put a little muffler there and make it sound very nice. But thank you very much for watching, and I will have of course follow-up video, show you guys. I'm gonna take the GoPro outside here and we're gonna go for a ride, show you what it sounds like from the outside. Then of course I'm gonna show you how it is on the inside in a cabin, and I'm gonna show you whether it's annoying with that MDS when you switch on and off. Again, thank you very much. I will see you soon in another video. Bye.